Shall I present the screen, ma'am?
1 minute, ma'am, please.
Yeah, okay.
So, good evening, one and all. Good evening to her. Good evening to all. We are assembled here for the 7 days program on Python organized by IQAC of Sri Vidyodaya College of Education, Alkman Foundation and Seva Academy. So we are very happy to welcome you all in this program. So we are planning to teach Python, basics of Python programming in this all 7 days. Okay, so we have our resource person, Sangeeta, founder, Skills in Corporation. I welcome you, ma'am, to this session. Madam has been served as a resource person for many programs. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Resource person for many universities. Ma'am is currently now going on a project with Infosys. We are very proud to have such a resource person, Sangeeta Mahalingam. Welcome you, ma'am. Welcome you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We will start the session, ma'am. Participants will be joining slowly.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We will start the session now.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay.
The session is yours, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Let me share the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope my screen is visible here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So let me start with Python. So myself, Sangeeta, I am a software trainer. I had nearly 15 years of experience as a coding trainer. And today we will start the session with Python. So Python is a very easy programming language. So we'll start here. It is a very easy programming language. We say this Python as interpreted, interactive, object-oriented language.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Let us see. Yes, ma'am.
So for the 7 days, what will be the learning outcome of the participants, ma'am? After the 7 days, what they will learn?
Ma'am, during these 7 days, each day they will see one concept. Like the first day, like a basic programs in Python and the software installation and introduction about the Python. And on the second day, they learn about conditions. And on the third day, they learn about loopings. I mean, control statements and loopings. And the fourth day, they learn about the data structures in Python. The data structures consist of list, tuples, dictionary, and set. And the fifth day, they will learn about the strings and functions all over the, like SQL concept, that is front end and back end storage. That is on one day. And overall outline of object oriented programming language. So
Yes,
on
ma'am.
the whole,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
these we will cover on this 7 days. So it is very easy. So we can you can easily understand during the session.
Okay,
So,
thank you for your encouraging words, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We will
Thank
try
you.
to learn.
Yeah,
And
sure.
dear participants, we don't have classes on Saturday and Sunday. Monday to Friday, and again next Monday and Tuesday. It will be over 7 days. Thank you. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am. The session
Okay.
is sorry for the interruption.
No problem. Okay, let us start with this Python. So simply Python, we call it as a programming language. And this programming language, we say as interpreter, interactive, and object-oriented language. Let us see what is this interpreted and what is interactive and what is this object-oriented programming. First, we see for interpreted. So this is known as interpreted. So interpreted means it is simply called as translator. The Python code, which is interpreted in the same computer, means this Python code will be in high level language, that is the human understandable language, which is in English. Okay. This interpreter will convert that high level language into low level language. This low level language means it is a compiler. Sorry. The machine understandable language is called as low level language. Okay. The machine understandable language is called as low level language. Means you can see in the below diagram, int a, int b. So we can understand this a is a variable and b is a variable which is declared in integer. So this one is a human understandable language. So this will be converted as a machine language. See, your computer will understand only two numbers. One is 0 and another one is 1. Even in the numeric thing, it doesn't know what is 2. It doesn't know what is 3. Your computer knows only two numbers. One is 0 and another one is 1. So this interpreter will be acting like a translator, which convert our Python code into a machine understandable language, that is computer understandable language. So that's why this Python is known as interpreter. And next we are going to see what is interactive. See, on the first slide, I have shown interpreter, interactive, and object-oriented programming. And we saw what is interpreted. So next we are going to see what is interactive. So interactive. So from this diagram, what you understand, the two persons are sitting and just talking. See, one person asking for how are you, and another person is giving some reply, I'm fine. Okay, so this is known as interactive. Similarly, your Python code is very interactive. So you will, if you are typing in the one line, on the next line itself, you will get the output. Okay, so that's why it is called as, it is an interactive programming language. For example, this is your editor pane. This is your output pane. So if you are typing print hello, hello something, any message, hello world or any message, so immediately you will get the output at the output pane. Can you see here print hello? So immediately you are getting the output at down. So print hello. So immediately you are getting the output on the next line itself. So this is called as interactive. And the last one is known as object-oriented programming language. See, on the first slide, I have shown for three things. One is interpreted, and another one is interactive, and for a third one is object-oriented programming language. See, object-oriented programming language, these things are there in the object-oriented programming language. So these are the 7 pillars of OOPS concepts. So let us see what are all those. First one is class, object, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. So these are all the 7 pillars of object-oriented programming language. See, on the further classes, we see what are all these things. Okay. So next, generally we say Python is general purpose programming language. Already we have seen for 3 things. What are all those? Interpreter, interactive, object-oriented programming language. And fourth one, they are saying it is a general purpose programming language. It means using Python, you can create the web application. And using Python, you can create the mobile application. You can do data mining. You can do image processing. You can do gaming applications. So that's why it is called as general purpose programming language. And the next, we say this as imperative and declarative. So imperative means it covers for, imperative means it will be acting like a procedural language, as well as it will be acting like a object-oriented programming language. So that's why it is called as imperative. Procedural language means in what order you have written the program, like C program it is. C is a procedural language. C++ is an object-oriented language. Okay. So a procedural language means in what order you have written the program, in the same order you will get the output. In the same order, your execution will be there. Okay. So that's why it is called as procedural language. So, and also Python supports for object-oriented programming. So that's why it is called as imperative. And you can say this as a declarative. Declarative means functional programming. The Python consists of so many inbuilt functions. So it is called as functional programming. And this person named as Guido van Rossum, he discovered the Python. So Python was found by Guido van Rossum. Actually, he lives in Netherlands. Okay, he worked in a company named as CWI. In 1989, this Guido van Rossum worked in this company. Okay, so in this company, they have used ABC programming language. Okay, so he worked on ABC using the programming language which is known as ABC. Even the programming language name is ABC programming language. So he found many drawbacks in that ABC programming language, and it is very complex and it is very hard to understand. It is not user friendly. Okay, so that's a reason he developed the Python. Okay, so he developed the Python and he named the he want to develop a new programming language, and that programming language is known as Python. Okay, he named that programming language as Python. Why he named as Python means he used to watch a circus, I mean Monty Circus, a program which is published in BBC channel. He is a big fan of that Monty Circus Python. I mean that Monty Python Circus. That is actually a show which is telecasted in BBC channel. So he loved that show very much. So he named the programming language as Python because the show name is Monty Python Circus. So he named this programming language as Python. Okay. So let us see this why this Python is very important. See Python. The Python is very easy to learn and use. Why it is very easy to learn? Because the Python have for many inbuilt function. Because of the huge library support and many inbuilt function, the Python is very, very easy and it is very easy to use. And second point is it is an expressive language. Yeah, it is an expressive language because the Python code was made of high level language that is in English language, and it has a very simple syntax. It is very easy to learn. So that's why it is called as expressive language. And third, it is very unique styles because it consists of interpreter. It will give you line by line debugging, and immediately you can find the error because it used to run like line by line debugging. So if you have an error in the line, it will automatically, we can know it very soon. So that's why it has a unique styles. And it is a cross platform. Cross platform means Python will run on any operating system, not only in Windows. It will run on Windows, it will run on Linux, it will run on Unix, it will run on Mac OS, any OS. On any OS, the Python is supportable. If you take a .NET programming language, it will run only on Windows application because it is a Microsoft product. So it is a dependent platform. A cross-platform means it can run on any platform. If you are having the laptop with any different kind of OS, the Python is supporting for that OS. So it is simply called as cross-platform. And this and last one, you see, it is free and open source. Yeah, Python is definitely free because if you go for the Microsoft product like MS Office or anything, if you want to buy that, if you want to install that MS Office, you need to pay for it. All the Microsoft products are payable. Okay, but this Python software is absolutely free. You can easily go to the official website of the Python, and you can easily download that. So this software is free and open source. So it doesn't have, you no need to pay anything to buy the software, to install the software in your system. So that's why we say this software is free and open source. See, when we are asking about the Python, you need to tell so many things. On the first slide, we saw that as first slide. I will just recall it. On the first slide, we saw it is interpreted. Second point is interactive. Third one is object oriented programming language. And fourth is it is a general purpose language. And fifth is you can come here. It is easy to learn and use. And sixth point is it is an expressive language. Seventh is it consists of unique styles. Eighth one is it supports for cross-platform. And ninth is it is free and open source. So till now, we are describing 9 points for this Python. So it is free and open source. And let us see how to download this Python. It is very easy. So simply you can go to python.org. So if you go there, you can download the very recent version of the Python. I will show you how to go there and how to install it. Everything I'll show in the session. And still, so once it is downloaded, so this is the installing procedure. Simply, see, I'm showing for this point, free and open source. So I'm showing this. It is free and open source. You no need to pay anything. Simply, you go to the Python official website and download this Python. Here you have the download button. Simply click on it. It will be download like the exe file. Once you try to install that exe file, you will get the window like this. Simply you click on this install now and start to install it. So it will automatically install in your system. As well as we are telling Python is an object-oriented programming language that we already discussed. What are all the 7 pillars of object-oriented programming? And it is extensible. Extensible means you can extend the Python project like a Python code by adding new modules. So that's why it is called as extensible. And large standard library. Yes, the Python, Python are used for machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, data analytics. Why? Because of this libraries. If you are coming to Python, its library is a very huge support. More than 10,000 libraries are there, which is very easy for the developer to build the project, and whatever things he required, it is available as the inbuilt. So that's why the people are jumping to Python. That's why the Python become very booming after the AI involves. So we started using AI and ML from the year of 2015. Now from that year, the Python is highly booming because of this large standard libraries. So this is graphical user interface. The Python supports for graphical user interface, that is GUI application. See, whatever thing you are seeing in the website, now the websites are very interactive. See, very attractive. Mobile application, everything. So those applications are known as GUI application. GUI means graphical user interface. So the software used for building the GUI application and GUI libraries are Python Qt, so Python tkinter, and Python Pygame. So these are all the softwares are used to build this GUI application. And we say Python as integrated. Integrated means suppose Python code can be integrated with C code. Python code can be integrated with C++ code. Python code also can be integrated with Java code. So it can be integrated with any programming language. So that's why it is called as integrated. Is it understandable? The slide is understandable. So you need to remember. So once again, I remember. So first point for Python is interpreted. Second is interactive. Third is object-oriented programming language. Okay. And And we know what is the meaning for interpreted, interactive, and um, object oriented programming language. Python is a general purpose programming language. Python is easy to learn and use. And sixth point is it is an expressive language. Seventh is it consists of unique styles. Eighth point is it supports for cross platform. And ninth point is it is free and open source. And 10th point is it is extensible. 11th point is it consists of it supports for large standard library. 12th point is it consists of graphical user interface. And 13 is it is integrated. So if you are asking for Python, so Python can be defined with all these 13 points. I hope it is very clear for you. Do you have any doubts? You can stop me then and there. Is there any doubts? If it is not, at least you can give any thumbs up or you can give any reply in the chat box. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let us see how to download this Python software. I'll close this slide. Okay, fine. I'll just stop this presentation. Let me show how to go to the software and how to download it and how to work on it. Let me show that. I'll close this presentation. Fine. Once again, I'll share it. I hope it is visible now. Okay, go to Google. Python, put for Python download. Just, yeah, can you see the first site? It is python.org. Just click on it. Yeah, can you see this page? Can you the same page I have shown in the presentation? Can you see here download Python 3.13? I mean, it is the latest version now. So 3.13.7. And if you have some different OS, like see now I have in my laptop, my OS is Windows. And if you want to download Python Linux or Unix, you have to click on this. If you want to download Python for Mac OS, you want to click on it. Suppose if you want to download Python for Android, here is the software. So you can simply whatever OS you have in your laptop, you can download the software according to that. And now I click for this download Python, this version 3.13.7. Just click on it. Yeah, it has started downloading. Can you see here? It has started downloading. So once the downloading is completed, we can start to install that. It is installing. Sorry, it is downloading. It is download is completed. Let me open the folder. Yeah, it is completed. So this is your Python software. Just double click on it. So can you see this page? So this is the page. Simply just select, use this admin privileges, add Python. So if you want, you can select all these things. So just select this install. So it is asking me whether to allow it is asking me whether to allow the software to install in my device. I say yes. So that's all. See, it is very simple. The installation procedure is very, very simple. Once you download that exe file, it is very easy. You can just put it and click on next. It will automatically start to do the installation. Just close it. Once it is installed, you can go to the start menu. So just go here, go to all apps. Okay. So Python. So on the index P, you can check it. Okay. So click for the P index. Can you see here? So Python 3.13 has got installed. You can see the folder here. Just expand that folder. Okay. So these are all here. You need to click for ideally. So integrated development environment. So you want to click on this, just click on it. Yeah, can you see here? Ideally shell it is. So it is ideally shell. I'm just configure this ideally because size of this text is very small. I want to configure it. I am changing this to 18 and I'm putting, yeah. I hope now it is okay, or else I'll make it like 20. I apply on this, I say okay. So I hope this now the screen is visible. So if you want to increase the font size, you want to configure this shell, you can go here. Simply go for the options and configure for ideally. So here you can see the options of font settings. Go to the fonts, select the font whichever you like and change the size of it, apply and give OK. So you can change the font of it. So this is known as ideally version. I already said you it is very interactive. Interactive means what? I have shown the image of two person. They are communicating each other. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. So they are having some conversation. Similarly, your Python is a interactive language. Let us show you how it is. So print. I'm just giving the message. See, whatever thing you want to type, you need to give inside the semicolon. Sorry, inside the double quotation. So here I'm printing the message like hello world. Hello world. See, whatever you type inside this double quotation, it will print as it is. That's all. Just click on enter. See here you are seeing the output in the same pane. It is your output pane. In the same pane, you are getting the output immediately. Fine. So this is known as that's why it is called as interactive language. For example, I give you another message, print. I'm giving the single quotation. Okay. So welcome to Python programming. So this is the message I have given here. Just click on enter. Can you see here? So immediately I'm getting the message, welcome to Python programming. The thing is, the Python will accept for double quotation as well as the Python will accept for the single quotation. So that's the thing. So that's the difference I need to show you. So if you are giving a single quotation and typing anything, it will print as it is. And if you are giving for the double quotation and typing anything, it will print as it is. You have to understand. See, whatever you print inside this double quotation, the code never minds of it. See, I'm printing for randomly, I'm printing for anything. See, thing is, it will print as it is. Okay, whatever you type, it will print as it is. So you need to understand this. And here it will do like without using the print statement. See, can you see here? I'm giving 10 plus 5, it is 15. So 10 minus 6, it is answer is 4. 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. 10 into 50, the answer is 500. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything. Everything you can put it here itself. So straightly, without using the print statement, it is giving the answer. Okay. Fine. Now, this is known as shell page. Okay. Ideally shell. And this is one convenient for all the things. So I want to work on file. So go to the file. So click on the new file. So here you can see this is the new file. And here I'm going to print the same message, print. Here I'm saying Python is easy to learn. Okay. So this is a message I'm giving inside the file. See, now this file is not saved. You can save this file anywhere. Okay. I want to save this file. Okay. It is taking some inbuilt path, but I don't want to. It is not compulsory. I need to save only in this inbuilt path. It is not like that. Simply, I am going to this desktop. Okay. I'm going to this desktop. Here, I'm going to create one new folder. The folder name is I create Sangeeta. Okay. I want to save my first program here. So I put like PRG. I put this is, or else I put first program. Okay. So that's it. I save this file. Now this file has got saved. I will show you here. I will show you. Can you see the folder here? Sangeeta. So inside that Sangeeta, see the file name is first program. Okay. Now I go to this ideally shell and this one. Now I need to run this file. Simply you can go and click for shortcut key is F5 or else go to run and click for the run module. Click for the run module. See, you have written the program there. Your output is displayed on the ideally shell. See here. Python is easy to learn. Okay. So here it has got displayed. But your program was written in the file. Always your output will be displayed only in the ideally shell. Okay. I am giving another message here. Friends, I'll give another message. Hello world. Hello world. Now I save this file first. I save this file. Now you run this file. Click on it. Can you see here? I'm getting the two messages here. Python is easy to learn. Okay. So I'm getting the message. Okay. So put I print for another message like comment. Comment. Let me save this file. I save this file. I click on F5. I'm sorry. Can you see the 3 messages have printed here? Okay. Now what I want to explain is, so this is known as, can you see the single quotation? Actually, you can see this magenta color and green color. Now I put one single quotation. Can you see here? This is known as comment line in Python. Okay, comment line. And now you save this. Now you save this document and run it. I'm sorry. This is the comment line. Ash. If you put this comment line here, I will show you the difference. Just see the output. Can you see here on the previous program, 3 statement has got printed, but now it has printed for only 2 statements. On the 3rd statement comment, it has not printed. Means if you are applying the comment line, this is known as comment. This hash code is known as comment. This is a single line comment. If you are applying this comment, it won't print for this line. Means the compiler will not execute this line. It will execute for this 2 code. It won't execute for this. Okay. I will show you one more example. If I apply comment on the 2nd line also, it will print only for this line. Python is easy to learn. I'll save this document and I'll run this module. Can you see here? So Python is easy to learn. Okay, it is printing only for one statement. It is not printing for the other statements. So this is known as single line comment. This hash is known as, it is a single line comment. Okay, hash represents for single line comment. Okay. Now you remove this, it becomes normal purple and green color. So I'll save this. I run this document. Can you see here? All the three lines has got printed. Okay. Now see, I want to comment this first 2 lines. So for commenting the multi-line comment, it is very difficult to apply the single line comment on each. See, it is only the 3-line program. It is very easy to put the single line comment here. But if I want to comment for 50 lines, it is very difficult. So this is single line comment. You need to use only this hash code. And for the multi-line comment, you need to open the 3 single quotes and you need to close the 3 single quotes. This represents for the multi-line comment. If I run this program, it will print only one statement. It will not print for these 2 statements, other 2 statements. I'll run this. Can you see here? It is printing only for one statement and it is not printing for Python is easy to learn and hello world. It is not printed because I have commented that. Okay. So now in this program, I printed a message. Like you need to open. Okay, you need to open. I have shown you the multi-line comment. For doing the multi-line comment, you need to put 3 quotation at the beginning and you need to end the 3 quotation at the end. So single line comment you need to represent with hash code, and for the multi-line comment you have to put like this. Let me run this program. Now all the line gets executed. Can you see here? I hope you are clear with this. I hope you are clear with this. Okay. Next, here I'm going to print like I'm going to print a message like, hi, John, good to see you. Okay, this is a message. It is a normal usual message. You can just go and run it. So you are getting the message here. But at every time if I run, I get only John. Okay. Now I don't want on each time, next time it needs to say hi Sam. Next time it needs to say hi Reena, like that. So I'm going to declare one variable here. The variable name is called as name. Here I'm giving the give a name here. I say like Sam. And in this place, okay, in this place, I call this variable. Okay, I remove all the message. See, the print statement will execute only for hi. Okay, if you want to print any string, print statement will print only for one output. If you want to see, now you printed for hi. Okay, if I put you can use comma as another operator. I want to print for name. So here the name, the input I give for name is Sam. So now I'm printing for this name. So I want to print like hi Sam. So this is what I need to print. Let us run this. So you are getting the message like hi Sam. Okay. So here the concatenation operator is plus, I mean, comma. So in Python, you can use the, I mean, joining. Concatenation means joining. Hi is there, Sam is there. I want to print both of them together. So you can use comma operator as the joining operator, or else you can use for plus. So plus will also act like a joining operator. Can you see here? See, for comma also I have got the output. For plus also I have got the output. So both are used as a concatenation operator. Whichever you feel convenient, you can go with that. But I always go with comma. Reason is I'll tell you later why I'm not using for plus. I'll tell you later. So now it's clear. So now I got like hi Sam, and I need one more message like good to see you. So again I need to open a quotation. See, whatever you want to, if it is a string, definitely in Python you need to give inside the single quotation or in the double quotation. Okay, so again I need the message like good to see you. Okay, fine. So let me run this program. Can you see here? Hi Sam, good to see you. Okay, so your Python, in the Python we have declared a variable. We have assigned the input for the variable, and we have used the concatenation operator as comma, and we have printed it. Okay, so this is okay. But I want to get the input at the runtime. So in this program, we are giving the input inside the code itself. Okay, so I'll comment this line, but I want to get the input at runtime. So how could I do that? So here there is a syntax. Syntax name is input. So here, that's it. That's it. So just save this, run this module. Okay. Now it is asking, see the cursor is blinking here. It is not printing anything. Here I'm going to give a name here, Geeta, because I have written the code like input, get the input for name. So can you see here? No, it is not. It has not printed. Let us see why it is. See here. Hi, Geeta. Hi, Sam. Good to see you. It has printed both. Let us see why it is. Now it is okay. You see here, again, I'll run this code. Okay, it is asking me to give the input. I give like Sangeeta. Can you see here? Hi, Sangeeta, good to see you. On each and every time when I run, I can give the different input. But in this case, I gave a Sam. How many times I run the program, it is going to be Sam. Each and every time, if I want a different output, I need to change the input here. See, I need to come inside the coding and then I need to change the input here. But if I use the input syntax, I no need to come inside the code. At the output screen itself, I can give the input and I can see the output. You can see here, I have given the input in the output screen itself and I'm seeing the output in the output screen itself. See, it is very empty, right? Here, if I have the message like enter your name, so that will be looking more good. So I give the message here. So inside the input function, so I give the message like enter your name. Enter your good name. Okay. So just I have one colon here. So it will print as it is. You know that. So whatever you type inside this double quotation, it will print as it is. Let me run this program. Can you see here? Enter your good name. Here I put like Jesse. See, hi Jesse, good to see you. Okay, fine. Is it clear? See, we have seen how to print the statement using print and how to see the output in the Python shell. And we have done some arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And we created one new file, like go to file and click on the new file and save that file inside any folders like this. Once you save the file, so we started giving the print statement inside the file, and I taught you about the comments in Python, how to use the single line comment and how to use the multi-line comment and how to declare the variable and how to assign the input after declaring the variable and how to get the dynamic input at the runtime. So dynamic input means you will be getting the input at the output screen as well as you see the output in the output screen. So that's known as dynamic, getting the dynamic input. Is it clear up to this? Is it clear? Can you give any reply in the chat box so I could understand? Yes, George Matthew, sir. Thank you, sir. Devna, thank you. It's clear. Sri Lakshmi, Rupam. Thank you, Sri Lakshmi, ma'am. Thank you, Bharati, ma'am. Thank you, Ramchandran, sir. Thank you, sir. If you see, if you are not understanding any step, please stop then and there. Please ask me. I will explain very clearly. So it is very easy. So you can easily learn in the 7 days. Don't worry about it. So we can see so many programs. And today we saw for introduction about Python. And do you remember what are all the things we described for Python? You can say it in the chat box. I have listed like 13 to 15 points in Python. Can you remember? Session recordings. So we need to ask this with Sasi ma'am. She will tell at the end. Can you please tell what is that? What is Python? It is a very good. It is an interactive language. If anybody want to tell, you can on your mic and tell. It is not that you need to give only in the chat box.
It is object-oriented programming language.
Yes, ma'am. Any other points? Uma ma'am have said it is interactive language. It is easy to learn. Easy to learn. It is an object-oriented programming language, user-friendly software, general purpose
It is
language.
interpreted.
Okay.
It is interpreted language,
Uh,
object-oriented language,
Okay.
expressive language.
okay.
It has a unique style
Okay.
and also has cross-platform
Okay.
and free and open source,
Okay.
extensible.
Very good, ma'am. Very good. Okay. Is it Uma Mageshwari, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, fine. Large libraries. Okay, multiple. Yeah, many of them have given the response. Okay, see, today's section, we have seen what is the introduction about Python, and we saw for how to download the software from Python official site. And we have seen how to install it and how to work on IDLE shell and how to work on IDLE file. We have seen the simple using the print message, we have printed for a few statements and we declare a variable, and we see for single line comment and multi-line comment, and we see how to assign the input inside the program by creating a variable, and we have seen how to get the output at the runtime, like how to get the dynamic input at the runtime. So this is what we have seen in the today's session, and tomorrow we start to see some basic programs. We start to see some more programs on tomorrow's session. I hope it is very clear for you, and whatever thing we have seen today, please try to download the software and install it and just work on this simple codings. So this will be very useful for you. Is it okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Today, your session was very nice. Excellent presentation on Python basics.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your clear explanations and hands-on demonstration of Python installation, IDLE setup. What is the full form for IDLE, ma'am?
Integrated Development Environment.
Okay. Basics
Expansion of IDLE.
Okay. Basic syntax and user input were very informative. The
Yes,
step-by-step approach made it easy to follow along, especially for beginners.
Yes, ma'am.
Your
Yes, ma'am.
effort in making complex programming concepts accessible are greatly appreciated. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, let us give a homework for the participant. I'll give it the same work what we have worked here in this. They can prepare, is it not, ma'am? They can have
they can do it. They can do it, ma'am. Ask them to prepare a resume by using only the print statement. A basic biodata. A basic biodata. What you will have, like a name, like your address, your contact number, prepare for the resume.
Will it be easy for them to?
Very easy for them because they need only the print statement. That's it.
Is that okay, participants? Ma'am is asking you to prepare a resume. Will it be okay? Kindly try. Kindly try.
You can try for it. It's very easy.
Yes, Rupam has answered. Sure. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Participants, please be punctual. Kindly log in at 6 p.m. sharply so that you can learn more. You can ask your doubts, etc. And recordings will be provided only at the 7th day of this program, at the end of the program. Okay, after the 7th day, after 26th, we'll be providing all the recordings into your mail. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
The participants can leave the meeting. As ma'am told, please prepare your resume. I will meet again tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all. Thank you.